Hi, this is me, Olivia, and Carter from Hailey Boo Review. And today, Carter's going to do an unboxing and review on his new Hot Wheel he got for Easter. Anyways, Happy Easter, everybody! There's a game that you can get in the Hot Wheels app, but we're not going to get it, and I'm just going to open it. Yeah. This is hard.
Alright, can you set it down on the table?
So I remember what this car is called. No. Said it had a name. Here's the other Hot Wheels that I got.
Very cool.
HW Race. And this is my bunny ring that Olivia got me for the aunt, and it glows.
Very neat. So how does the new Hot Wheels race? How does it ride?
You move it like this, and sometimes you can go like that.
Oh, it rolls good, nice and smooth. And the body's somewhat transparent, correct?
Ooh.
Hold on, let me look through it.
Snake! Snake.
Okay, is that it?
I think, yeah. Subscribe, and I want to give a shout out to Skyland Born Girl because they got 100 subscribers. And so, please comment, like, and subscribe. And down in the comments below, comment what the Easter Bunny brought you for Easter. Yes, it is posted on Easter. Sunday, Easter. Here's the 6 that's on the Hot Wheel that you didn't see. We left the Easter Bunny carrots last night. Bye. See you next time. Hailey Boo Review. Bye. Chewy.